Hey, Chow. Do you want some yogurt? Do you want some yogurt? Oh, I've got a bit of leftover yogurt, yeah? Alright then. Here we go. Oh, look at you go, Chow. You're such a good dog. Oh, look at that. Do you want more or not? Do you want more yogurt? Okay then. Oh, you love the yogurt, don't you, Chow? Chow, your Snoot's buried in the yogurt. Come here. Oh, jeez, it's stuck. Alright, that's enough. Do you want more or is that enough? Oh, jeez. Alright, a bit more. There you go. I think you've polished it, Chow. I think it's done. Okay, that's it. All full now? Yes or no? Alright, you go back to sleep now, okay?